Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up the toolbox in Metatrader 5. This is helpful if you want your trading workspace to look cleaner, easier to manage, and more useful while you are analyzing charts or placing trades. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see your main trading dashboard, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options listed there that control different aspects of your trading interface. This top menu is where you can manage chart tools, platform windows, account panels, and other workspace features. At the top of your screen, click on View. This menu is essential because it houses all the customization options for your workspace, allowing you to display or hide various panels and tools that you need for trading analysis and execution. If your Metatrader 5 screen ever looks too empty or too crowded, the View menu is usually the best place to start fixing the layout. Once you click on View, a drop-down menu will appear with multiple options. Look for Toolbars and click on it. This will reveal another sub-menu where you can select which toolbar panels you want visible on your screen. These toolbar settings help you decide which quick access tools should appear at the top of your platform. From here, you can check the boxes next to standards, line studies, and timeframes if you need them. These toolbars give you quick access to drawing tools, chart analysis features, and different time period views, making your trading workflow much more efficient. For example, line studies can help you draw trend lines and support or resistance levels, while timeframes lets you quickly switch between different chart periods, like 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or daily charts. Next, you'll want to check the status bar and charts bar options within the same View menu. The status bar typically displays important information at the bottom of your screen, while the charts bar helps you manage multiple charts simultaneously. Having these enabled ensures you can monitor key data and switch between different chart windows with ease. This is especially useful if you are watching more than one currency pair, stock, commodity, or index at the same time. Now, to make your interface even more functional, go back to the View menu and click on Market Watch. This will display the Market Watch panel on your interface, usually on the left side of your screen. This panel is crucial because it shows you real-time quotes for all the currency pairs and instruments you're tracking, allowing you to monitor price movements at a glance. From Market Watch, you can also quickly open charts, view symbol details, and access trading instruments more efficiently. You can also click on Data Window to show it on your screen. The data window displays detailed information about the specific candlestick or bar your cursor is hovering over, including open, high, low, and close prices, along with indicator values if you have any applied. This is helpful when you want to inspect exact price data instead of only looking at the visual movement on the chart. Additionally, you can click on Navigator to show it on your interface. The Navigator panel gives you access to all your accounts, indicators, expert advisors, and scripts. It's essentially your control center for managing automated trading tools and technical analysis indicators. If you use custom indicators, trading robots, or multiple accounts, keeping the Navigator visible can save you a lot of time. Finally, click on Toolbox to show it at the bottom of your interface. The Toolbox is incredibly useful because it displays your trade history, open positions, account balance, and other critical trading information all in one place. Having this panel visible ensures you can monitor your trading activity and account status without navigating away from your charts. This is one of the most important panels for active traders because it lets you track trades, check account performance, and review important updates while staying on the same screen. And that's it! You've successfully customized your Metatrader 5 workspace by setting up the toolbox and other essential panels. With these panels enabled, your platform becomes easier to use, and you can move faster between chart analysis, trade monitoring, and account management. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.